Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Working on brakes for a customer. This customer has 0 brakes. You're playing Russian roulette with your life, my life, your family, and my family, and somebody else's family, and all of our properties. Please do not do this. This is one of the only things that are going to stop any vehicle. I don't care if you have a $1 million vehicle. The brakes are supposed to be like a piece of steak. There's the metal that's holding it together, and here's the steak itself. If I handed you just a bone of a steak, you'd be like, what do you want me to do with this? It's not going to do any purpose. Well, the purpose is there's your meat. This is what's stopping you and riding on this rotor right here. So when you're applying the brakes, you're putting hydraulic pressure on this piston. This piston is pushing the brakes in on the rotor to slow you down. But if you have metal to metal, it's just not going to work. It's like you having bad tires and you're trying to stop, you'll just hydroplane. There's nothing gripping on nothing. Don't do this. You can literally cost yourself money also. This little piddly $100-something job to change some front brakes can turn to $300 or $400, because not only if it breaks down so much, this can actually disappear because it disintegrated because it's been worn down so much. Your rotor itself can wear down to the point that it's not doing nothing but a piece of metal. And also, if your brakes wear down and disintegrate and go away, your piston will start being your brake pad. You don't want to start messing up your piston and your caliper, which is your piston here and your caliper here, because now you got to buy a new caliper, you got to buy a new rotor, you got to buy brakes, and you got to get it bled. Now you're looking at it a couple $100. I'm here to on your side, guys. I don't want to see you in any shape or way going through anything. On your brake pad, there's a wear indicator on all brakes. Here's a brand new one. And then once it wears down and it gets here, it's going to start scraping. It doesn't just happen overnight. It is accumulation of time. Well, so you can see how thick this brake is. And now look at the wear indicator. It gives you time to get it fixed. So you'll go from squeaking all the way down to grinding. All the tools that I'm using for this, if you're watching this on TikTok, you could go to the bio page, click on Linktree, go to my Amazon store, and you'll see all the tools, diagnostic tools, brake tools, every tool that I use to make my life easier and make the maximum amount of money. And it's excellent money, trust and believe that. I even sell the documents. I'll even do one-on-one consultation. If you're looking on YouTube, go to the description and click on my website, The Mobile Mechanic 757, THE, The Mobile Mechanic 757.com, and you can get all the information in that direction. Either way, I'm here on you guys' side, people before profit. I live by my motto, and I'm not going to sit there and change it for some money. It says it right there, people before profit. And I'm here, and I'm on your side. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.